Like it or not, this is the direction that we are headed. Most agents I talk to are working harder than ever to get noticed, but they're still getting drowned out. Here's the reality. The agents who will win in 2026 aren't the ones shouting the loudest. They're the ones using AI to show up in the right place at the right time with the right message. I'm Courtney Weaver, one of your hosts of the Insurance Buzz, and today we're kicking off a 3-part series on AI and technology and insurance, and we're starting with marketing, how to get seen, how to get heard, and how to turn attention into conversations that actually matter. So let's start with what's probably the easiest place for you to plug in. Content. If you're staring at a blank screen, trying to write a Facebook post or an email or a blog or a LinkedIn status, please stop. AI can knock out a draft for you in seconds. Language AI tools like ChatGPT can give you a first draft of your post, email, or even a video script. I said first draft because here's the thing. You still have to add you into it. Your voice, your stories, your example, your emotion. That's what makes it real. AI is the assistant, not the agent. So the next time that you sit down to write a post, ask AI to write you 3 versions. Pick one, tweak it in your voice, and post it. Done in minutes, not hours.
Agency owners, imagine a world where you had a coach or trainer in your office that reported to you every single day, that your team had access to every single day. And the reason why most of you don't have that already is because they're extremely expensive. Usually most sales trainers and coaches are going to cost 6 figures a year. I'm so excited to announce the launch of our new business, Agency Coach AI. This is going to provide an AI coach and trainer at you and your team's fingertips 24/7. It's a coach that never takes the day off. It is a coach that reports directly to you. It is a coach that coaches your team the way that you want them to be coached. It practices and role plays with your team every single day, and then is going to coach them on what they did well, what they could have improved on, recommended trainings that they can watch. Then it's going to report to you or the sales manager in the office exactly what was done in that practice session, exactly what was said, and exactly what they coached the team member on. Then we're going to listen to every single live sales call. Think about this, a coach or trainer that sits with your team every single day, listening to every single live conversation, going in and or coming in and going out. No more wondering, hey, is my team actually having the conversations that they've been taught? Hey, is my team actually asking for the sell? Hey, is my team actually making pivots? Hey, is my team actually doing the things that they're supposed to do compliantly? No more guessing. It is all going to be documented and given to you word for word. And the best part about this is after the live calls, the coach coaches them on what they did well, what they could have improved on, and any recommended trainings that they would recommend them take and watch. No more wondering what's going on in your office, regardless if you're there or not. This is going to give you the most transparency and accountability that you've ever had before in your agency career. And the best part about it is, with your team having a coach and trainer that they can lean on 24/7, their confidence is going to grow and they're going to become the best sales professional that they can become because they have access to have coaching and training 24/7. If you are ready to take advantage of AI, if you're ready to have more time back in your business, if you are ready to quit having to choose between training your team and growing your business, go to agencycoachai.com and check out the demo or shoot me a text 816-727-7610 and I'll be in touch and we can get a call scheduled. Other than that, let's get back to the show.
Now, let's talk about paid ads. If you've ever ran a Facebook or Google ad, you're already using AI, whether you know it or not. When you set a budget and click go, Facebook's algorithm does all of the heavy lifting. It decides who should see your ad based on behavior, demographics, and millions of data points that you and I will never have access to because Facebook has it sealed. So instead of stressing over the perfect targeting, your job is to focus on the creative. What's the hook? What's the story? The AI will put it in front of the right eyeballs. So that means testing headlines, images, Videos, faster and cheaper. AI optimizes in real time and you get the results. The next one, recommendation AI. Here's the one that's really, really interesting. Think about Netflix. The reason it feels like it knows you is because it's tracking every show you watch, not creepy, but kind of, every time you pause, and every rating you give. Now apply that to your agency. Imagine a system that says, hey, this client just bought auto insurance. Most people like them also need a life insurance or an umbrella policy. Now, that's not just a cross-sell. That's Amazon-style personalization. And it means that you're not blasting the same message to everybody. You're making the right offer to the right person at the right time. Like it or not, this is the direction that we are headed. Marketing isn't just what you put out, it's also how you follow up. And this is where automation comes in. AI-powered CRMs can send personalized emails, texts, even video messages automatically. Imagine a client getting a birthday text from your office that actually feels personal, or an email reminding them about their renewal without you ever lifting a finger. That's Disney-level customer service, the kind that people can remember and continue to talk about even when you're not in the room. Now let's pause here, because some of you are probably thinking, if AI does all of this, what is my job? Your job is to be the human. AI doesn't know your customer's story. It doesn't know that their son just started driving or that they're worried about protecting their spouse if something happens. That is your role. AI gets you in the door faster. It gets you more conversations. But you are the one who builds that trust and closes the sale. That's never going away. It's never going away. We're in the human business. So here's your action plan. Use AI to draft your next email, post, or blog. Test paid ads with AI doing targeting while you focus on the creative. Look into recommendation-style tools to personalize your cross-sales. Automate one piece of your marketing follow-up this month. Do that, and you're already ahead of 90% of the agents out there. And here's the big picture. AI in marketing is not about shouting louder. It's about being smarter, faster, and more personal. The agents who figure this out now are going to dominate their market for years to come. All right, that's it for today's episode of The Insurance Buzz. Make sure you stay tuned for part 2 of this series where we dive into AI and sales training and how it can become your 24/7 coach for you and your agency. Time and attention are by far our most important assets. Thank you for choosing to spend some of that with me today. If you love this episode, make sure and leave us a 5-star rating and review and share it with somebody who needs to hear it. Thank you so much. Have the best day.